It's finally here, my Marvel Legends Infinity Gauntlet. Let's get this thing unboxed and check it out. So excited for this one. Alright, so I ordered mine through ToysRUs.com. They are on pre-order right now on Amazon.com to be shipped out later on, I believe, April 1st. These were... Oh, man, this is going to be nice. Yeah, these were originally shown off, I believe, in February, right around the time of New York Toy Fair, is when I first started seeing posts about these. Here we go. This looks like instruction manuals. I'll take a look at that in a second. But this have articulated fingers and sound effects. Holy smokes. This is big. All right, let me carefully get this out of its packaging. Man, this is really big. I knew this was big based on some of the photos and other posts that I've seen online, but this is really big. It is very nicely packaged, so it's not going to get damaged in shipment. Oh my goodness. This is so cool! This is so cool! I can't believe this. This is so friggin' cool. So, this does require, I believe, 3 AA batteries or AAA batteries? Yeah. 3 AA's. So let me get this compartment off the front here and put those batteries in. This thing is so cool. All right, let's check it out. I honestly can't believe how awesome this thing is. The detail on this is really good in my opinion. For a $100 replica prop, you're not going to find it better than this. You could probably try and 3D print one, and the time it would take you to print something this scale and then finish it is going to take you a very, very long time. And you might end up getting better results, but I honestly think this just looks ridiculously good. Not to mention that it lights up, and it has sound effects. So cool. There is a locking mechanism on the front of the glove here, so if I wanted to put my hands in, make a closed fist, and lock it in place, or not. There we go. Now all the fingers are locked in place, and I can put this on display if I'd like to not have the fingers extended up, which actually would fit really nicely on my back shelf. So you can anticipate seeing this in the background of my videos now, for probably the foreseeable future. To unlock it, all you do is just flip the switch back up, and it unlocks the hands. The sound effects on this thing are really cool as well. One thing that I was just reading in the manual is that you can, if you press the button, a short press on this, it'll light up the glove and turn on the sound effects and lights, etc. for a short period of time. I'll have to test that out and see exactly how long it is. But you can press and hold this as well, and it should leave it on for a longer, extended period of time. So that actually looks like if you hold it as well, it'll shut it off. But here I'm going to press and hold. So again, I'll have to do the timing here to see exactly how long this is between the short press and the long press. But it's a very nice feature again. So maybe I can do the long press, have it on display with the lights on behind me, not hearing all of that sound and noise. I'll try to get some shots here of the inside of the glove, but basically there are rings that you can reach in and grab that allow you to articulate each one of the fingers. homage to Star-Lord there. The detail on this is just wonderful. I'm calling it right now. This is going to be the #1 toy for 2018. I cannot believe how awesome this is. I'm so happy I got my hands on it. Again, if you're interested in grabbing one for yourself, I've got links down below where you can pre-order it over on Amazon. It should be available and shipping out on April 1st. If you are lucky enough, you can check your local Toys R Us stores and see if they have any for availability. It is $100, just like the other Marvel Legendary Series replica props. If you wait a few months, every once in a while they drop in price temporarily. Like, I believe you can pick up the Iron Man helmet for under $100 now in certain locations. So it's up to you if you want to wait until the movie drops and try and get your hands on it, or try and get it now. I would personally recommend getting it now. I think this thing is going to be huge. It's just friggin' wild, and the detail and the articulation just make this prop ridiculously cool for you to have on display, or to wear around your house, or have in your office, or beat down some Avengers with. It's up to you. Just for scale comparison's sake, here is the Marvel Legendary Series Captain America shield. That is a little bit larger than the Thanos glove. This, again, is just super, super cool. I can't get enough of that sound effect. It's awesome. Hey, I just want to say thanks again for watching, you guys. If you haven't already, please consider joining and becoming one of my Patreon supporters. I just want to say thank you to all of my Patreons that have been supporting me up until now. It's been a huge help with buying additional stuff to review or getting kits and gear for my studio. I just want to say thank you guys for helping support me and the channel here as it continues to hopefully grow. Also, if you're interested and like this video, you can buy me a coffee. That's right. Unlike Patreon, which is a monthly subscription, you can just buy me a coffee, which helps fund other fun projects that I'm working on as well. Hey, I just want to say thanks again for watching, you guys. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and let me know what you think down in the comments about the Infinity Gauntlet, and if you're excited for Marvel's Infinity War, you know I am, and I will be there day one to check this out. Hey, thanks again for watching, you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye now. In time, you will know what it's like to lose. So cool.